Hi, welcome back to PC Error Detective. In this video, we will show you how to create a Windows 10 recovery USB and explain why it is useful for fixing startup and system problems. Step 1. Go to the desktop home screen and click on the search box. This search box is located on the taskbar and helps you quickly find built-in Windows tools without browsing through menus. Step 2. Type recovery or recovery drive into the search box. This allows Windows to locate the recovery drive tool, which is specifically designed to create a bootable recovery USB. Step 3. Click on recovery drive from the search results. Selecting this option opens the official Windows recovery utility, ensuring the process is safe and system supported. Step 4. Click open and then allow it to run by clicking yes or OK. This permission is required so the tool can access system files needed to create the recovery USB. Step 5. When the recovery drive window opens, select the USB flash drive option. This step ensures Windows knows where to store the recovery files so your USB can be used later for repairs. Step 6. Click Next to continue. This confirms your selection and allows Windows to prepare the required recovery components. Step 7. Carefully read the warning message about formatting the USB drive and deleting all data. This is important because everything currently stored on the USB drive will be erased. Step 8. Click Create to start the process. Windows will now copy recovery files and make the USB bootable for system troubleshooting. Step 9. Wait for the process to complete. Depending on your computer's speed, this may take several minutes, so be patient and do not remove the USB. Step 10. Once finished, click Finish. Your Windows 10 recovery USB is now ready to help restore or repair your system when needed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tutorials.